Many people want to improve their English, but they don't know where to start in order to improve their English. So that is the reason behind that they are struggling a lot to improve their English. So I would like to tell you, if you are starting your journey with zero, then try to learn at first basic rules of grammar. Yes, you heard it right. If you are totally beginner, then try to start your journey basic rules of grammar. Because without knowing grammars, we can't speak in English. We can't speak in a great way. Because you have seen lots of fluent speakers. Why they are speaking in a great way? Because initially they also improve their basic rules of grammar. So that is the reason they speak very good. So if you want to improve your English, initially you should start learning with basic rules of grammar. Okay, like tenses, 12 models, to be, to have, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections, and passive voice, and little bit causative verb. If you clear all concepts of basic rules of grammar, then definitely you will speak very fluently. You will be speak very fluently. You will speak this. You will learn this language in a great way. Okay, but I would like to clear you. If you know how to connect sentence, then you will be able to understand sentence. You will be able to connect more and more sentence. So this is what I am going to share you. One part of grammar like conjunctions. Yes, you had it right. If you learn conjunctions in a great way, then definitely your English will be improved in a short period of time. So what you need to do in order to learn conjunctions? So conjunctions means we have to connect one sentence with two sentences. Suppose that we have, if you know how to connect sentence, then it will be easy for us to make more and more sentence in our own way. Okay. For example, I would like to give you so that you can understand easily. The first one, conjunctions. In this, there are lots of conjunctions we use every day. Our day-to-day life, if we connect some whole manner, on that time we use conjunction. If you know how to manipulate the conjunctions, then definitely our English will be easy. Okay, our English will be improved. So conjunction means I will give you 3 to 4 examples conjunctions like but, because, so, although, as soon as well as, not only, but also. There are lots of conjunctions, but we need to collect few conjunctions that really use every day. Okay, like I will give you one example so that you can understand. Like, but I will connect you two sentences with the help of but. Okay, like she is rich. She is rich. She is not. Okay. These are the two sentences. If I will connect with if I will connect with bird, see how we can speak. Like she she is rich but not happy. See how easily I connected two sentences with one conjunctions, right? So if you know how to connect sentence, then definitely you will be you will be able to learn this language in a great way. So this is what I wanted to share with you. If you learn step by step by making your daily routine, what should I do at first and what should I do next? In this way, you try to implement the habit of reading, writing, listening, speaking, then definitely it will give you very good result in over time. Okay. Or one I will again I will tell you, if you are totally beginner, then try to learn at first the basic rules of grammar. If you learn in a great way, then definitely you will be able to understand this language and you will be able to speak this language in a great way with the help of basic rules of grammar. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I meet you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.